1.
Download Cmar's UI texture squasher.
Find that in the description.
Create empty package. Game file cruiser. Paste an instance code.
Find that in the description.
Select all. Filter. Get both. Add to package. Repeat for the other instances. Save. Select a file. Export. Save as DDS. Rename with the group ID in the title. Repeat for the other.
2.
In UI Texture Editor, select the matching group ID for the larger image and the smaller image of your first set. Convert. Edit the image. Stay within the lines. When content, save as PNG. Re-import in UI Texture Editor. Convert. Re-import on both of your chosen groups. DC9 to DC9, DCA to DCA. To change the others, repeat the steps for all. Done. Basic Barbie? No, we only have the bombastic, bodilicious, bodacious, bewitching Barbie here.
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.